Here are 5 notable gun shooting mobile games released in 2024. 1. Call of Duty Warzone Mobile. Release date: March 21st, 2024. Platforms: Android, iOS. Description: This mobile adaptation brings the classic Warzone experience to handheld devices, featuring Battle Royale and Resurgence modes. It supports cross-progression with other Call of Duty titles, allowing players to maintain their progress across platforms. 2. Ace Force 2 Was. Release date: July 6th, 2024. Platforms: Android, iOS. Description: Developed by Tencent's More Fun Studios, Ace Force 2 is a 5v5 hero-based tactical shooter. Powered by Unreal Engine 4, it offers enhanced visuals and gameplay mechanics, providing an engaging and competitive experience on mobile platforms. 3. Bloodstrike. Release date: March 21st, 2024. Platforms: Android, iOS. Description: Developed by NetEase Games, Bloodstrike is a fast-paced battle royale shooter. Players engage in 100-player battles, utilizing diverse operators and parkour skills for strategic advantage. The game is optimized for a seamless combat experience on various devices. 4. FPS. Shooting Fire Offline. Release date: January 30th, 2024. Platform option: Android. Description: This offline FPS game offers thrilling 3D gameplay with multiple modes, including critical strike and commando shooting. Players can enjoy both multiplayer and single-player modes, featuring smooth controls in modern and World War settings. 5. Gunstrike 3D Gun Shooting 2024. Release date: September 19th, 2024. Platform: Android. Description: An action-packed anti-terrorist shooting game offering console-quality gameplay on mobile devices. It features 4 exciting modes: Wave Battle, Zombie Mode, Open World Mode, and Challenges, along with HD graphics and smooth controls. These games offer a variety of shooting experiences, from tactical team-based battles to intense solo missions, catering to different preferences and playstyles.